What's up, YouTube? Top Tactic Fishing here. Welcome to another episode. You got me on my boat today. Trying to go for some catfish tonight. We're on the Schuylkill River, and the target species is flatheads. But I'll really take anything just because it's been pretty slow. The river's been slow. I haven't had a lot of rain, not a lot of current at all. So I don't have any high expectations tonight. So I just figured while I'm free, at least get the boat out, get some more practice, and hopefully get some fish for you guys. So these 4 rods here you see in front are going to be flathead rods. I'm using 2 live bluegill and then 2 cut. I did bring a couple carp rods as well, just because I do expect the flathead bite to be slow. So I brought a couple carp rods just to kind of, you know, keep our options open here. So hopefully we can get some. Stay tuned. Carp fishing from a boat. You don't see that very often. So I am actually going to try to keep this away from the anchor, because if we get a carp, you do not want to get wrapped up in your anchor here. It's going to be hard to keep the boat still tonight because not a lot of current. When you anchor up, it's tough. So I'm just really chugging this out there. Maybe we'll get lucky with something. So funny. Hooked onto a carp, guys. Doesn't feel as big as I thought, but still, it's a fish. but it's a fish. And that's all I care about. Doesn't look as big, but he's still out there a little bit. He's going back the other way. Just being careful with this fish because taking me forever because I don't have that. It's taking me forever because I don't have that strong a pound test line, so I just put some rods together here. He's getting closer though. Trying to get him up over here. Get him away from the motor. Got him. All right, guys. Okay, let's show you what we got. This is carpet flooring, so this carp will not get hurt at all. Carpet flooring, so it's almost like a mat. So here she is. Look at this one. First carp in my boat. I'm expecting the flathead bite to be slow tonight, so I'm glad that we were able to get some carp at least. Woo-hoo! Just took a tiger nut with a pop-up corn. Let's release it. Alright, we're gonna gently. There he goes. Alright. Woo! Nice one. I don't know about you guys, but I'm stoked for that one. First carp from the boat, super thrilled. I think we're gonna pack up and go to a different spot. So see if we can try to figure out where these flatheads are and hopefully get some more carp. Stay tuned.